Hi, my name is Nathan. Welcome to Module 6 of the University of Sydney's Up to Extension 1 Mathematics Bridging course. Module 6 is devoted to solving equations, a very fundamental topic in mathematics. In fact, nothing screams mathematics more than an equation, right? Equations come in all different shapes and sizes. They can be short and simple, or long, complicated and scary. Many equations that have been discovered over the years are now very famous, such as Pythagoras' theorem, Einstein's E equals mc squared, and Euler's identity, which relates the numbers 0 and 1, the irrational numbers e and pi, and the imaginary number I. An equation is a mathematical statement which tells us that two expressions, the left-hand side and the right-hand side, are equal. For example, Einstein's equation tells us that the energy of a body is equal to the product of its mass and the square of the speed of light. An equation typically consists of a mix of variables and numbers, or constants. In Einstein's equation, E, standing for energy, and m, standing for mass, are the variables, and the speed of light c is a constant. While equations can be fun to just stare at, in mathematics we actually want to do something with them. In particular, we want to solve them. This means finding values for the variables which make both sides of the equation equal. For example, if our equation is a very simple one, like x plus 1 equals 5, then x equals 4 is a solution. However, x equals 3, or 0, or minus 42 are not solutions. Obviously, equations quickly get much more complicated than this one. We will look at some more complicated equations across the next 3 videos in this module. In our first video, we look at solving quadratic and cubic equations. No surprise that the quadratic formula plays a big role here. In the second video, we look at solving trigonometric equations, which are simply those containing trig functions like sine, cos, and tan. In the third and final video, we do something a little different. We look at solving inequalities. Inequalities are expressions just like equations, except that we've changed the equal sign to an inequality, such as greater than or equal to, or strictly less than. Inequalities can actually be a little trickier than equations, because by relaxing the constraint on the two sides, we are no longer insisting that they're equal to each other, we expect to get more solutions. So we typically have to work a little harder to find them all. Best of luck, and I hope you enjoy this module. As with the other modules earlier on in this bridging course, please practice what you have learned in the videos. There are plenty of equations out there for you to solve.